Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use Magic Portal on HONOR Magic8 Lite. Magic Portal is an AI drag and drop feature on your HONOR Magic8 Lite, and I'll try to explain how to use it, what it gives you, and what cool things you can do with it. So let's begin by turning it on in Settings. Go to Settings, then HONOR AI, go to Magic Portal, and enable it. Now let's also enable drag app content, because that's going to be pretty useful sometimes. And now let's go, maybe, you know what, I'll go to an article. I'll open an article and I'll get back to you. Okay, we have an article now, and let's try to use all the features. So the first one is pretty interesting. It's Knuckle Circle. You need to just like do this kind of gesture with your knuckle to circle around something, and it'll automatically open that portal, that magic portal. As you can see right here, you can slide and select different suggestions that are there. You can add it to your favorite space, you can save it to gallery, you can do way more. I did save it accidentally, but yeah, you can save it to gallery, you can add it to notes, but you can also do image search on Temu, you can search image on Google, you can share it to TikTok, set it as your wallpaper. You can also extract text by clicking here, copy there. I think edit or copy. Yeah, that looks like edit. Yeah, you can edit it for some reason. So that is cool. That is cool. But now you can also use it in other methods. For example, select a part of a text, then press and hold on it and move it to either the left or the right side of the screen. Now, as you can see, the Magic Portal is open as well. And now I could simply just, let's say, paste it to notes like so. And it's in my notes right now. I mean, I need to first agree to the notes. Yeah, okay, we have it. As you can see. So it is saved. I can save it. I can close the pop-up window, and that's it. Then you can also do the same with images as well. But yeah, this image doesn't really want to be moved. So I'll just open it. It's open in the background. What does it mean? Yeah, I think in Google it just doesn't want to move that image. Yeah, but maybe outside of Google it works. So we can basically do the same thing, but just hold an image and move it to any of the apps. So that is also pretty cool. Then you can do the same with screenshots. You can either just take a screenshot, for example, by pressing on power and volume down, then drag it into your Magic Portal and do something with that screenshot. Let's say send a message with it. So that is really, really cool, because we could just select recipient and easily send that message. Then another thing with screenshots, by the way, you can screenshot like so, I think. Yeah, just knuckle twice. And when you click on the screenshot, you can also use the Magic Portal here. For example, by clicking on this button and then selecting some text from the screenshot and copying it into somewhere. And the last thing is basically also after taking a screenshot, you can just click on it and here press and hold on it and move it to the Magic Portal. But that's basically the same thing as if you were having it somewhere else, but here you could have cropped it, right? So you could in the edit page, you could first crop the screenshot, and then you can press and hold and move it to, let's say, save to gallery. That doesn't make sense because I would save it anyway by clicking on this button, but you know, there's other options available. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.